When I was a young grub, I'd always imagined that I'd grow up to be somebody great. At the time I did not know that I'd be this failure of a leader, that I would let you down. But if I had defeated my demons and in the first place taken responsibility, maybe somewhere in a scratched game session we might have had good fortune and claimed that damned reward. Sometimes I get the feeling you're watching over me, and sometimes I still feel I should give up. But through it all, our rise and fall, your body's in the film, because you're gone. I want you all to know I'll carry on, I'll carry on. And though you're dead and gone, believe me, your memory will carry on, will carry on. And in my blood I can't contain it, this memo won't convey it. Dream bubbles send you reeling from decimated dreams. I hope somehow you hear me and wake up. Go after Jack, never turn back, no matter what they say. We'll fight him till the end, until we fall. We'll carry on, we'll carry on. And though you're dead and gone, believe me, your memory will carry on, will carry on. And if I'm broken and defeated, I hope I can continue on and on. I'll carry through the dreams. No, 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 disappointing everyone it seems. No, 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 don't look down on me, because I could not save you. When I was a young one, not even just imagine that my grow up to be somebody great.